Hey, what's going on everybody? In today's video, we're gonna go over your panel on the X2. Let's get started. All right, first starting here, this is where you're gonna be doing the bulk of the work. This is the home screen. These first two icons here, we have set and eject. This is to move your platen in or eject it out if need to. And next we have the stop button. Just in case you need to cancel printing, you also hit the stop button to cancel a job that's in your preview. Up here on the right, we got USB, which you use to search their flash drive whenever you have one inserted here. You can also hit stored job, and it'll have a list of your previously printed jobs. And here is where you can add copies to your print, so you don't have to keep selecting it in stored job or USB. And now moving up to the top screen here, we have the status indicator of your Wi-Fi connection, your temperature, your humidity level, and your ink and waste levels. Now located in the top left, we have the printer status indicator. We can also get a more detailed view on the printer status by clicking here. Let's open it up. Here we have our printer status box, our ink levels, and our waste ink level. To reset that waste ink, dump out that bottle, click that button, and confirm the selection. Next, we're going to click the maintenance icon. And on the top here, we have nozzle check, auto head clean, and your regular maintenance. Now we should all already know what that nozzle check is. If not, I got a video on it. You can go ahead and check it out. And we also have the auto head clean and regular maintenance. I'm going to do a really quick dive on that auto head clean just in case you're ever in a pinch and you need to work it. Now this is where you would go if you have a bad nozzle check, maybe it's causing some inconsistencies in your print, some abnormalities, and you want to go ahead and clean that up. Here you can select all of the channels or individual channels and have the printer do an auto maintenance. Now I'm going to go over this next panel with you, but I want to reiterate, your machine is calibrated out of the box from the factory for best prints possible. Don't go over any of these without a technician on the line. You can have some pretty catastrophic events happen to your prints. Moving on to the next panel here, this is where we have the lifespan of all the consumable parts on the printer. You can go ahead and see a replace list there. The printer will also notify you as some of these parts are coming to the end of their lifespan. Moving on to this last icon here, we see ink path control. This menu is where you would go if you need to fill the printer with ink and or cleaner. We have an options tab and an information tab. Let's go ahead and check out those options. As you can see on this first page, we've got your IP address, factory reset, temperature, high speed mode. The two main things I want to go over with you are drying time and obstacle sensor. Drying time, it's a really helpful tool, especially for those living in a more humid environment. I recommend setting a dry time in between prints just so you can make sure your underbase or your color layer have a proper time to slightly air dry before printing on top of one another. Next, with that obstacle sensor, we never want to turn that guy off. We want it on. We don't want to strike the print head with the platen or with our garment, something that can possibly void a warranty. Make sure that guy stays on. Alright guys, that is going to do it for this one. Don't forget to shake those whites. We'll catch you in the next one.